Philadelphia is at the heart of the biopharma and the biotech industry. Its self-proclaimed status as Silicon Valley makes it the perfect area for us to liaise, attract, and work with some of the best talent in the industry. We're looking for people who have a great sense of excitement and energy about making lives better for customers, allowing them to, through our ultra-fast track projects, get drugs to market quicker. And people who are excited by the prospect of doing that are the sort of people that we want to have on board at ZETA USA.
Hi, my name is Andrea, and I work for ZETA as a process engineer since 10 years. I've seen a lot of different projects starting and finishing, and for me it was time for a new adventure. It was a great opportunity to come here about a year ago to see our new office starting and growing from the beginning. It's also great to see the process engineering team developing and taking over the knowledge and experience from our Austrian headquarters. We want process engineers who are experts in the field, who wants to deliver the highest quality from the pharmaceutical industry.
I like working at ZETA because we're a smaller company than where I've been previously, which means we're agile and we're flexible, and we're able to address our customers' needs in a rapid and efficient manner, all while maintaining our vertically integrated approaches as well as our smart engineering solutions, which ultimately help us deliver our customers' products, which ultimately deliver drugs to market faster.
I currently work at ZETA as an intern for automation. I love working at ZETA. They've done a really good job as integrating me as part of the team. It's more than just a check mark on my resume. It's real-world experience that I'm going to be able to take into my field of work when I graduate college. They've allowed me to work here while continuing my studies, and it's been a really, really big help in experience that I can use moving forward.
We've spent nearly a year in these offices, and in that time we've managed to expand into our first US projects. As we mentioned, we're looking for more people to join our expanding company. And what they could expect and what they could enjoy is a state-of-the-art, agile company with the ability to forward their careers, forward their knowledge base, work on exciting projects, make a difference to customers, make a difference to patients.
ZETA is great because you really have the opportunity to work with other countries and other people around the world at the same time. It's like working for a small company where you have big resources that are at your fingertips at any moment. And that's really special, I think, and unique.
I believe that ZETA has 3 key competitive advantages for our customers here in the United States. Number 1 is experience. We started in the 1980s as an equipment fabricator, and we carry that experience to all of our work here today. So in early stages of the project, we're already talking to fabrication vendors and we're talking to our team, and that allows us to really know early on what can be built and what will work in an actual production environment. The second is accountability. So from ZETA, you can order the entire package. So process engineering, mechanical, automation, fabrication, commissioning, startup, supply. So full scope of service. And the third is speed. Because of our experience with fabricating and because we own the entire scope of the project, that allows us to move very quickly, and we can deliver our services to you quicker than our competitors.
We have, as part of our organization, a very flat management structure. We're incredibly agile. We work to close Six Sigma type principles. We are able to reduce the risks, reduce the interfaces in the project. We are uniquely positioned to deliver for the customer on budget and on time.
At ZETA, their innovation, their integration, the team that they've built around the world is now being completed with an operation in the US, and worthwhile work remains true. I am proud and excited for our future, and I am happy to support that we save lives sooner in the work that we do.
We need people who have the enthusiasm, the ability to adapt well, to offer their thoughts, to offer their vision, to align with our vision, to be able to take our capabilities to the marketplace to make a difference to people's lives, to be able to deliver our unique brand of ultra-fast track projects. And those who have the desire and the will to do so, they will always find an open door with us here in ZETA USA.